Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Leon. Today I will introduce you how to solve the noise reduction and silencing problem for PCABS material in new energy vehicles. As we know, the new vehicles are becoming more and more common in our daily life. Compared with traditional gasoline vehicles, new energy vehicles has less noise interference from engine during driving. The fractional noise generated by interior components during travel become particularly prominent, which is one of the key factors affecting driving experience. Interior components such as instrument panels, center consoles, and decorative strips are often made of PCABS alloy. When these components undergo relative movements during vibration, they are prone to generating noise. Undergo relative movements due to vibration, they're prone to generating noise due to stick-slip effect. The common noise reduction method including two ways. One is to use felts, coatings, or lubricants for secondary treatment. Another is to select special noise reduction resins. The former has cumbersome process and low efficiency, and the noise reduction effect is unstable. The latter has relatively high cost. In this background, the additive noise reduction Masterbatch, for example, SILIPLAS 73, from Silica Technology provides a more efficient and cost-effective solution. Its essence is a special polysiloxane that can provide excellent and long-lasting noise reduction performance for PCABS materials. It can reduce stick slip and has a lower cost. After testing, its noise reduction effect is significant. According to VDA 230 and 206 standard, the RPN is less than 3, and it has a low friction coefficient, having minimal impact on the key chemical property of PCABS, making it an ideal, lightweight, and low-cost silent material choice. If you are interested in this material, welcome to contact us and get more technical data and get a sample to make comparison tests. Okay, that's today's sharing. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave your comments. We would like to send you a sample for your always tests and trials.